Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making some quick and easy delicious dynamite shrimp today. To prepare the sauce, you will need half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup sweet chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. This sauce is amazing. It has a perfect amount of spice, sweet, savory, and creamy at the same time. Mix well and set aside. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to half a pound of shrimp that's been peeled and deveined. Add 1 egg and then mix well. Set the shrimp aside and let's make the flour mixture. Add half a cup of flour to a bowl, half a cup of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Next, let's evenly coat the shrimp with this flour mixture. One of the reasons I love eating this dish is the crunchiness of the shrimp, so we need to ensure that the shrimp is coated evenly with this flour mixture. Once you've evenly coated all the shrimp with the flour, add the shrimp to the pan with oil on high heat. Fry each side for 2 minutes. Once the shrimp starts to turn golden brown, you know the shrimp is ready. Remember to move the shrimp around to ensure that it all cooks evenly. I've also tried making this recipe with fish fillet and it's so delicious. So if you don't enjoy shrimp or you don't have any shrimp, you can use fish fillet as a substitute. Notice the color of the shrimp. It's slightly golden and turning brown. This is a great time to remove it from the oil. Then we're going to toss the shrimp with that beautiful sauce that we made. Dynamite shrimp is one of my favorite dishes to prepare and to eat. It's super simple, easy, and quick to make, and this sauce is amazing. If you get a chance to try out this recipe, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Please click on the bell so you can get a notification whenever I post a new recipe. This is optional, but I like to add some diced green onion for color. This dish is best enjoyed when it's nice and hot. So delicious.